keep it moving. Yes, guys, keep it moving. Keep your life on the right path. Stay on the straight and narrow. Don't give up. Keep your faith going. Keep your whatever you bought into your world this year, keep it moving. Don't give up on it. Keep on with your journey to excellence. Keep on with your journey to not curse. Keep on with your journey to travel more. Keep on with your journey to save your money. Keep on with your journey to be honest with people. Keep on with your journey to be healthy. Keep on with your journey to life, honesty, good things, good, wholesome things. Keep on with your journey to positivity. That's number one. Keep on whatever it is that you're doing, that you're trying to succeed on and succeed in. Keep it moving, y'all. Don't hold back. Keep it moving. Trust me, it will come to fruition. It will come, okay? Just keep it moving and don't stop. That's all I have for y'all. I'll see you in a little while. Thanks for tuning in to another tea time. So, y'all, it's brunch, okay? It's actually brunch time. It's like 3 o'clock. I'm sorry, y'all, okay? I'm so sorry. But honey, she's gonna eat her breakfast, brunch, or whatever you want to call it. This is what I got for breakfast this morning. Some oatmeal, raisin bread, and apples. And I got my trusty tea. Y'all already know. So guys, we're gonna read from, I got my old glasses because I left my other glasses at my daughter's house. So we're gonna read from Proverbs 3 and 4. And we're gonna go down to verse 23. And this is just basically talks about wisdom. So above all else, guard your heart, for it is the wellspring of life. Guard your heart, because it is the wellspring of your life. Put away perversity from your mouth. Basically what I was talking about earlier. Keep corrupt talk far from your lips. Didn't I just speak about that? Wow. Let your eyes look straight ahead. Fix your gaze directly before you. That's why I always say it. Just keep doing this. Like a horse, just keep on. Don't look to the left or the right. Just keep going. Keep it moving. Make level paths for your feet. Make level paths for your feet, guys. We talked about that yesterday. Oh my gosh. And take only ways that are firm. Do not swerve to the right or to the left. Keep your foot from evil. Keep your foot from evil. Don't look to the left. Don't look to the right. Just keep going. Don't let nobody stop you from doing whatever it is that you need to do. Okay, y'all? So those are my words for tea time today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next part of the video. Bye, y'all. Hey, beautiful people. Happy Sunday, all. Happy Sunday. Time to break out the Adidas. How you guys doing? Why did I do that? I don't know. But guys, I'm going to get ready for my day. Y'all know what? It is like really nice here in Ohio. I think I opened the door. You see the back door is open. It is probably like 50 degrees. The sun was out earlier. However, she didn't feel like moving. I don't know what is going on, but she got to go. I'm going to go for a walk, guys. If I see anything great, I'm sure going to bring y'all on. But what I wanted to show y'all really quick was, I didn't show y'all yesterday this big old monstrosity of a mirror and how big it is. Because y'all know I stand in the mirror to make sure I can see y'all. I like that. So I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to see. So, can y'all see now how big it is? You can see here, You can see there. And you can see OOTD of the day, right, y'all? Y'all can see it? Yeah. So I wanted to show y'all how big that mirror was because I don't think y'all knew how big it was. But yeah, that's all I'm doing for now. Like I said, it's almost, I think it's close to 50 and the sun was out, but now it's not. So I don't know if it's going to rain. I got on my hoodie and a blue jean jacket. I do have a scarf hanging up back there on the thing that I'm going to take with me just in case because I don't want to get wet if it does rain. I don't really have like no major plans today, guys. I am going to set the TV back up in the back room because the kiddos and stuff was back there yesterday. And I don't know, y'all, what else is going on. It's just a super chill Sunday, just relaxing, meditate, and just be in your own environment and own zone, your own personal peace. But I'm going to show y'all guys. Yesterday I was telling y'all that I got this, if you guys can see, I got this big old cutting board. And I don't know if I showed y'all, but I have, none of my boards here have like the cutout here. The only one that has it is this, but this is a, I forgot what you call this black, it's a piece of coal plate that comes out. So none of them have this where you cut fruit and vegetables and the water drips down. And I don't know, it has the a M letter on there. I don't know what that's for. I don't know what it stands for. It might stand for Mark. What do you think? I don't know. But yeah, I wanted it to be like this. So it covers up 2 eyes. And I just love that look. Instead of just looking at the 2 eyes, you have where you have a covering. So I don't know if I would ever get another one. I mean, don't get me wrong. If I find one just like it and I can turn it the other way where the M is the opposite way, then I will do it. That way it'll just be a whole piece of, it'll look like a whole piece of wood there. So yeah, guys, enough about me. What are y'all going to do today? What is your plans for today? I really would like to know. Let me know on this Sunday. This is the last day of the month, y'all. This is February 28th. Tomorrow is March. How y'all like that? So I don't think nothing has changed, but tomorrow is March 1st. But I want to go, I'm just going to be honest with myself. What do I really want to do? I am going to go get some gas because I should have got it yesterday. I should have had him go and do that yesterday, but for some odd reason I didn't because kind of like when you get with the kids, they kind of like throw you off because they're a little bit too busy and stuff. So I'm going to go get my gas. Oh, and a lady did come yesterday. She did buy the TV stand that we put in the garage. She did come and get that yesterday. She was on time and everything. I'm so glad I got that out of here. So I'm going to go deposit that cash into our savings account. And what else am I going to do? Oh, I'm going to do that first. Go get some gas. I'm going to go to the park and walk. And like I said, I think I'll bring y'all along for whatever little treats or sneak peeks or animals or any little thing I can see that I think you guys might enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here because I think I'm talking too much about literally not a whole lot of nothing. But yeah, thank you all for being so supportive here on the channel and just coming along my life journey, simple journey that is. And thank you for all your comments, love, and support here. I really appreciate it. It really, it goes a long way. It really does. So I'll see you guys in a little while. Y'all, she has not left yet. I don't know what is going on with me. It's like I don't want to get started and it's already 3:58. Like, it's already late. How do you not want to get started? I'm still sitting in the garage waiting. Well, actually, I'm letting Lady Blue warm up. And then I had to get the money out of my purse so I can have it already. Because I don't know about y'all, but me, I like to be prepared before I go to the bank because I always be thinking like somebody's going to come. Even though there might be people, I like the people to be like in another lane for me or something. But it just makes you nervous because so much going on today. I just try to be prepared. So in case if anything was to jump off, if anybody was to just come out of a corner or something, you could just be able to just pull off. You know, I don't know. Are any of y'all like that? But it's like when you have to do that kind of stuff, I don't know. I think we shouldn't have to do. I'm starting to feel like the things that are simple, that don't worry us too much, that's what we should be doing. So what I mean by that is, if you don't have a bank and you just keep your money at home, stacked somewhere, hidden somewhere that only you know and your family members know, you don't have to be scared. Just family members. Like you would have to be scared if it was like somebody else messing with your money, you know, like some other weirdo people in your family. But if it's just you, your spouse, or you and your children, you feel safe, then you don't have to worry about nobody trying to rob you or come behind from a building or coming in your door. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me. Y'all in the comments let me know. Do y'all be scared when you make transactions at the bank? I do. I try to sit in the car and wait till all my stuff is together, and I put my bank card on the thing so it can already be out. So, and I keep my foot on the gas. I keep my foot on the brake and keep the car in drive. I do not put it in park when I'm at the bank. No, I do not. She ain't doing that one. But y'all, it is beautiful out here. It is beautiful. It's over 50 probably. So hold the line and I'll be right back. Y'all know what I really want to do though? I really want to go to Home Depot, really, and go look. Because I think when I was there before, I can't remember when, they had a few bird of paradises. But that's been some months. And I didn't get it because it was so cold outside, y'all. Y'all know we was faced with all that cold weather. I didn't get it because I didn't want to take it out of the store into the outside to put it in my car to drive around with it to bring it in the house. So I just didn't get it. But I think if I can today, I think I'm gonna go look for one. I think I'm gonna just go in there. If they don't have one, I'm gonna be a little upset, but I just really want a bird of paradise. They are so beautiful, and I think they just bring like peace to your spirit. To me, I might be exaggerating or hallucinating, but to me, I think they bring you a lot of peace. So that might be on the list today, y'all. But that's it for now. I'll see you guys in a little while. Guys, it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's so beautiful. So many people. I don't know if you guys can see behind me, but there's so many people walking. How could you just not speak to folks? We're all out here doing the same thing. It's so sad to me sometimes when I look at how we are as a people, and it does not have nothing to do with color most of the time. It's just, I don't know, I don't get it, but it's too beautiful to be that way. Hi, how are you? It's too beautiful of a day not to smile. Like, the birds chirping and the water going. I don't know if y'all can hear me. There is water down here. Just listen. There's water like down there. Down there. There's people walking down in the cut there. And it's just so peaceful. Bye y'all. I did it though. She did it. Y'all be at the Home Depots. Face mask required. We already know what we're getting, so we're not about to be in here for no long time, y'all. I'm gonna be so upset if they don't have what I'm looking for. Let's see what we can find. Okay. I see larger prints here. Let's see. I can't stay on here long because they got music playing in the background. I do not see no bird of paradise at all, y'all. Not nowhere in sight. Oh, please don't let this be like a mission not accomplished. I don't see anything of that nature, y'all. Okay, well, she tried. All right, I'll see y'all at home. Y'all, this video's not going to be that long today. I need to close these blinds though. But just getting home. And he's in here working on. Huh? I'm talking to the peeps. I wasn't gonna do that. That's with them socks, because you always be crying. You threw my stuff away. You did this, you did that. No, there's no need to be mad. There's no need to be mad in the good world we live in. Y'all, I'm gonna close out this video. I will see you guys tomorrow because it's awfully late and we're just now getting home. Bye, y'all. Hold on, he can say bye. Can you say something?
YouTuber! What's going on with y'all? Another day at work, another day trying to get that money. What's going on with y'all though? Y'all alright? See, I'm down here on my knees. She got me down here begging, please, baby, please.
Whatever. He gonna be doing some begging, please, baby, please. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.